Okay, so now let's begin with our topographical map and concepts activity. In the other video last week, we saw how the two-dimensional information, these contour lines, correspond with a three-dimensional shape of the landscape. Now, this is the same example you have in your notebook, but now we're going to participate and do it ourselves. So let's start here. We see this is elevation. We have 0, 50, 100, 150, and 200 meters. And this over here is going to be our width of the hill in this case. But as you see, it's very easy to see where there's going to be changes in elevation as I drew these lines directly under the graph. So let's see how this works. Everyone take your pencil. We're going to start in the lower left-hand corner at 0. And we see that our 50 feet, in this case, the measurement is feet instead of meters, 50 feet contour line starts here. So we go up here and we see, where is 50? Where is 50? 50's here. So I see 50's there. I'm here, here. And what I'm going to do is connect the bottom left to this point. So let's do that together. You don't have to use a ruler, as this is just a concept activity. We're not evaluating precision here, but we are evaluating the ability to understand the concepts and apply them with your hand, thereby understanding them in greater detail. So now we see that it goes from 0 to 50, and then we go from 50 to how tall? 100. So we did 50 already. Now remember here, we'll come back down to 50, but now we're going to do 100. So we start at this point and we go over to our next line, which is more or less here. And now we're going to find the 100 on the y-axis. Let's see up here, and here we go. So here's our next point. Now we're going to connect this line to the next line. Very well. This is my x-axis, and this is my y-axis, just like you know in math, you learn in math. And now we're going to go on to the next elevation change. So this is elevation, this is our width. Let's see, where's the next one? There was the next contour line. Oh, there is the contour line, 150 feet. Okay, so 150, I find this line more or less right here, and I'm going to look for, there's 100, and I'm going to look for 150. There we are, 150. So I put the dot there and I connect from left to right. Now this one, very well. And now we're going to go to the next contour line, which is 200. Oh, here we go. We're going up high now. We're going up high now. So let's see here, this contour line, 200. We're going to take this line, go up to the graph. Here's my x-axis going up. This is 150. Now we need to go up to 200. And that's the top of our hill, or our mountain in this case, our little hill. Now we're going to connect from left to right again. Connect. All right, so now the contour line we talked about the other day, if this is a contour line, this is saying that everything on this area is more or less flat. So now we're going to have a flat line from here to here. So we go, take this, we're going to go up more or less, go up to 200, which is right here. And now we're going to go here, and a flat line across. Okay, and now get ready, because this is going to go down very quick. 150, see how close these contour lines are? We're going to go here to 150. Wow, and then here we go. Another one. This is going to go to 100, which is right here. So this is going really fast down. This is going down really fast. So you wouldn't want to walk down this area. This is going down too fast for us to walk down. And here we have down to 50. Go 50 over, end of the graph. And this goes down to 50. So as we talked about the other day, if I'm taking a hike, I would want to walk on this area, but I would not be able to walk down this area. I think I would fall down. So now we're going to take 3 colors, and as I indicated here, we're going to use these 3 colors to indicate the level and make this drawing a little bit more beautiful. This drawing a little bit more visual. So here we have this 50-foot line. We're gonna fill in those bars here. And now I'm going to take the next color. I just use these colors at random. It doesn't have to be brown, blue, and gray. These are highlighters that I enjoy. You can use any 3 colors you wish. Purple, blue, green. And I'm filling in all of these until the value of 200. Okay. And I'm going to leave this top one. In the top one, I'm going to color gray to show that that's the very, very top. I liked gray just because it seems like a very high color, rocky color. So you can see how two-dimensional topographical contour lines can be translated. We just did it together into the 3 dimensions that we saw. So that is all. Next page.